have Fuentes Palomares. Leorca, double L2RC.
Dahil kayo po ay nurse by
Nurse by trade.
So, pero nagpa-public service din po kayo?
Formerly, I was a nurse under USA under 20 years under Federal IMCH sa President of Malawi for 13 years. But our major project is rehabilitation.
So, pero meron po kayo nag-start nung, so yun po yung talagang professional po.
October.
So, kailan po kayo talaga nag-service na yung community service?
Ano, 1968 up to 1980.
1980. So, USA po, ano-ano po yung mga service na ginagawa po during the USA?
Family planning, we are distributing bills to parents, ayugi, mundo.
So, eto naman, hindi naman po kayo nakakaranas ng criticism from the church. During that time, meron na po ba?
Oo. May nagkaroon na nag-decision na ayaw
Opo. Ang natural. Ang natural.
well, through motivation, kanina yung pera. Ayaw na through ano na at saka I have 6 mga motivators, I stuck to them different barangays and explain to them how is family planning doing well or it's towards
Okay. So, talagang sinarate po, ka-practice po siya ng mga tao. Paano po yung ginagamit nyo din na communication vehicles? Ano po yung ginagawa niyo? Direct interaction po with people?
direct with people, nursing mother.
Nursing mother?
Sometimes, the husband is also included because gusto namin na ma-aware din ang husband. Kasi we find that if the wife is practicing family planning, the husband is aware para walang combination, walang away. The wife is
So, how do you deal with resistance back then? Kasi diba, medyo yung early 80s or late 70s, diba, medyo conservative yung mga tao compared sa ngayon. So, how do you deal with resistance po sa mga tao?
we have to continue. Pinabalik-balik ka namin sa kanilang lugar just to get the support from them. Kasi simply, we are family planning. We want, kasi ang family planning kasi it's spacing.
Spacing.
It's not healing, it's not spacing. At saka, we are looking for mothers who are already beyond the expectation number of families.
Ano po bang expected? Ano po ba yung ideal?
Ideal number of family. At 7 daw yan, 5 children and mother and father.
So, 7 in a time.
7 family. Ngayon, in one family, sobra pang matugal sa grandmother,
May
father,
extension.
yung extension.
Pero yun po ba yung number of children? Depende rin sa yung ideal number. The so-called ideal number.
Yeah.
Is it dependent po sa income or sa capacity rin ng family, ng parents na bumuti ng ano?
Oo, pero most likely kita na natin.
Yung mga poor, mga depressed talaga.
Borderline and baby lifestyle.
So, kapag nagpupunta po kayo sa kanila, you give out printed materials? also?
Yes, that's the number one. Yung ating mga materials, if they know how to read, they can read it because there is English is Tagalog.
Okay. So, kailangan talaga English to English Tagalog.
Kasi ang pamphlets namin ay simple man. English is Tagalog. So, kasi
So, hindi po kayo gumagamit ng, meron po kayong advocacy over the radio or sa TV. Nung panahon yun pa lang po.
I know pa naman ang Tagalog. That's why, ang ano namin ay, we have done 6 vendors, sa area.
So, kung direct interaction
Direct,
talaga.
yeah.
So, sa ngayon po, nakagawa niyo pa po kayo? Hindi po ba nagpa-practice pa rin po ako?
No, as of now, I'm not practicing family planning now. Pero I was in great help with the poor position that as of now, we are implementing family planning talaga. Number one ay pills, pills, we use vitamins, tubal ligation, at sa
So, nag-conduct po kayo ng kumbaga free service po siya? Mama sa mga live
service
and free consultation.
Yeah, because the rural centers, they want to
Yung rural natin yan.
as we member malaki din kasi na yan ang aming karyado at saka mayroon kami contact. Kasi ang pag-supply nila ng different medicine hindi pwedeng magsobra, may target.
Okay. So, paano po din-determine yung target? Depende po sa population.
Population.
Ano po usually ang target po? Ilang percent po ng population?
Yeah, as much as possible
50. So, ang target niyo po lagi, 50% makapag-practice ng
Practice ng
family planning. Okay. So, wala naman po kayong pinipili talaga na method. Paano po kung, halimbawa, ayaw po ng family ng artificial, ng mag-asawa, ayaw po nila ng artificial, ang gusto nila natural. So, ano po yung approach ninyo?
condom. We advise din to use condom. With the use of condom, with the use of condom, saka instructing them na, alam mo, kung minsan madalang lalaki, tayo nila gusto condom kasi they, ano yung
Parang kulang,
Isip ng
gano'n,
kulang. Kaya yung sabi, hindi ina-advise namin na, if you really want to practice family planning and to serve your family as a wholesome family, huwag ninyong butasan. Kasi binubunas nila, dinadaya na, may mga gano'ng mga
Iba pag natural, yung based na sa rhythm nito. But at least yun po yung pagkaalam ko.
Pero meron sa withdrawal.
Na ano po?
Pero ayaw ko masyado ng withdrawal kasi nagkaroon ng mistake. As of now, when I was in that age, the file member, I was the paramedic. Then, during my captainship, is barangay. Hindi na private. People gusto ko na private sa isang
So, parang home service, parang gano'n.
service pero ano yan at saka may house po
So, consultation and So, kung halimbawa po, magkakaroon po tayo ng advocacy for family planning. Not only that, kumbaga parang one aspect lang po siya ng women's health. Siyempre, admit it or not, mga babae po ngayon, kahit hindi po kasi sexually active. So, they must know how to protect themselves. And even kahit before po nung mga activities na gano'n, they must know how to take care of themselves. Hygiene, unang-una, di po ba how to care for their skin, yung mga good grooming and hygiene. Kung makakaroon po tayo ng ganong program, and gagamitin po natin yung radio as a medium, do you think magiging effective po siya dito?
mas maging effective yun kasi people alam na nila they are very aware of the planning.